We are pleased to show you the 2017 Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.